Welcome to the Bee Chic Studio. For those of you that are new to my channel, I can't draw. Ha! However, Jane Davenport has seriously inspired me with some of her really amazing, I'm so excited, amazing stuff. Holy cow, I love her art, and she just displays it everywhere. These I've been waiting for. Oh, envies, you guys. I think I was originally a mermaid in life, so I identify with everything mermaid. Gold, and I love brushes. I love brushes, guys. And look at these books. These books are so beautiful, and they're helping me. Can you believe it? Stay tuned, and at the end of the video, I'm going to demonstrate how I get through these things, and just so beautiful. She's done such an amazing job of showing us every single step. I mean, just look at the line work. These are this is her art, guys. This is from her journals. I belong to a Facebook group, and this is where I get my inspiration from. Man, look at these. These are stickers in the back of her book. These are beautiful. She just has all of these little cute sayings like paint till you die. And these hearts are cool. This is her idea of how she gets the shape of a body. She goes over that in this book. Oh, look at this beauty. She is so beautiful. You guys, and when she's on Facebook, she's so sweet and helpful and knowledgeable. You just got to get your hands on these books if you're trying to learn, or even if you're seasoned. She just has a completely different outlook on things, and it's inspiring, it's beautiful, it's colorful. Oh my gosh. And check this out. She even has how-tos on how to do her crazy hair, the different directions and stuff like that. I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh, the color. I'm just in love, guys. This is so flippin' beautiful. These books are just full of inspiration and ideas of what you can do with her stuff, and how to step-by-steps. Like, you cannot go wrong. It's like the best art books all in one little book. It's great. And these are swatch colors. She talks about like doing them and like making faces, and her way of doing it. She gives the steps. And this book too, it's nothing less beautiful than before. She goes over different techniques. Oh, I had to stop. Look at that. It's beautiful. Oh gosh. Just complete beauty everywhere, every page. Ooh, this is my fave, how to do hair. You got to get this book, guys. It's amazing. Anyway, I'm going to get started on swatching some of the stuff and showing you. These are the brushes. Oh, mermaid brushes. I'm so excited to show this. I'm nervous, guys, because as you know, 4 months into my journey of learning how to do art. Oh my goodness. Yep, which one do I start with? These. So there's 18 colors in here, and basically they work kind of like pastel chalks. And you can use the brush if you want a soft look. However, I go ahead and use my fingers on this specific swatch page. It's very thick cardstock that is very, very sleek, and it wants something to grab onto. But if you use your fingers the way I am, you're gonna get a much deeper color swatch here. But these are so nice because you can start out really light and keep going. I love them. This color palette I had to have, you guys. These are all my mixing colors of doing faces and stuff like that. All my under the sea stuff I do. This just helps me kind of smooth everything out and get that fine finished, soft, delicate look, if that's what I'm looking for. I love it. All of her products play very nice together. They don't fight as much as some of the others do. Well, I'm sure that's intentional, guys. Obviously, she is well thought in her products, and I don't care if you're professional or amateur like me, or even better, have no clue what you're doing. But what I do know is I love, love, love color, guys. Oh, that color was like pearl, guys. You don't want to miss out on this palette. Beautiful. So I'm in love, guys. I cannot deny this. Oh, Look at all these colors. So beautiful. And you can go ahead and make it even darker if you want to. Just add a little more and get a little more scrub in there. Ooh, last but not least, I am so in love with these color sticks. They are so beautiful and colorful, and they come in their own little box. That's awesome. It's so hard for me to constantly try to figure out how I'm going to store these things, because some of you may know I am not into arting in the studio as much anymore. We are transforming a van that is going to be our traveling art studio. We get inspired so much by other areas, other things, scenery, that sort of thing. But you guys, look at these colors. They're just gorgeous. And they play, again, very well with the other palettes and products that they have. So, it's not going to surprise you that you'll have more than one type of thing and a similar shade to work with shading and coloring and contouring. And you've got it, guys. I mean, she nailed it. These are like perfect lipsticks. And when you get your hands on these, they're so silky. They're gorgeous. I can't stand it. I literally watch and listen to people talk about these all the time. I'm like, I've got to get my hands on this. So they came today, and I had to stop the press and just show all of you guys. I'm so excited. Jane has done an amazing job at these products, and if I could have every single one of her products and review every single one of them, I would. Maybe I will. Who knows? But I mean, Jane, if you're listening, you can send stuff to me and I will review them and tell everybody about your amazing art. Wow. So let me just get started here. I've told you guys, don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to do my best here and kind of put some of my, knowledge to the paper, pen and paper, to the pad, and see what I come up with. And again, I am not technical. I don't know the technicality of everything, but Jane's going to tell you, just go with it. Try it. You don't know what you're doing until you do it. And sometimes you can surprise yourself. So I'm going to let you guys kind of listen to some music here, pop in if I have something to say. But to be honest with you, I'm just going to enjoy this process and learn these colors and learn these new products. And hopefully you like what you see here. And if you have any comments, please do so. I am more than happy to take constructive criticism on my talent, or my drawing or my shading. I mean, man, I am just here to learn. So please feel free to help me out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you made it to the end so that you can tell me if you like what I did. All right, guys, enjoy.
Hey guys, I hope you stayed till the end. I did my best and I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. I'm going to keep these videos up. I'm trying to do at least once a week, and talk to you soon, guys.